How to remove logo in Photoshop. Now this is the photo and you can see here that this is the watermark here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this clone option and simply zoom in a little bit, increase the size, and here first of all I'll select this area by pressing Alt and from your mouse. So as you can see that area has been selected. Now I'll select this area here and paste here. First of all select the empty area so that that area can replace this. Now I'll select from here. So this is, so zoom out. So this is, you can see that the logo has been removed. So this is how you can remove logo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.